Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has a variety of additional household uses and health benefits. Here are 6 benefits and uses of baking soda. Number 1. Whitening nails. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with warm water and apply the paste on your fingernails while making sure it reaches underneath your nails. Leave it for around 5 minutes and then wash it off. Number 2. Footbath. You can repeat the nail scrub on your toes, and you can take your at-home pedicure a step further by making a soothing foot bath using a solution of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part warm water. Let your feet soak in the basin for about 10 minutes and then apply a rich lotion to your legs and feet. Wrap a warm towel around them and let sit for around another 5 to 10 minutes. Your legs and feet will then be salon smooth. Number 3. Teeth whitener. For a natural way to whiten your teeth, mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Spread the mixture onto your teeth and leave on for 5 minutes. Then brush your teeth and rinse. This method should be used no more than once a week, as excessive use could potentially damage your tooth enamel. Number 4. Face exfoliator. Baking soda is ideal for removing dry skin from your face. You can create your own exfoliate by combining 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. Using a circular motion, rub the paste onto your face, then rinse with cold water. Number 5. Relieve heartburn. Baking soda has numerous health benefits, including using baking soda for heartburn. Baking soda is an excellent antacid because the bicarbonate helps to neutralize the stomach acid that causes indigestion. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda to 2 cups of water. Drink the water an hour after eating to find relief from heartburn. Number 6. Itchy skin relief. Baking soda can help to reduce discomfort from sunburn, allergic rashes, and skin affected by poison ivy or poison oak. Mix a teaspoon with some water to create a baking soda paste and apply to the areas of concern. Leave it on for several minutes and then rinse. You can do this a few times per day as needed.